Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Numerist Analyst Survival Guide. I'm your host, Sophie. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for career growth and professional development: how to effectively brag about your achievements at work, especially when it's time for that all-important performance review. You've worked hard, and it's time to ensure your accomplishments get the recognition they deserve. So let's talk about creating a brag sheet and the art of showcasing your wins. First things first, let's explore the power of a brag sheet. So, what is it? And why should you have one? Well, think of it as your personal trophy cabinet, a place where you collect and showcase your professional victories. A brag sheet is a document or digital file that compiles your achievements, big and small, over a specific period, say, the past year. We first came across the brag sheet on Etsy. We've linked the product in the description. It serves as a tangible record of your contributions and can be an invaluable tool during performance reviews or when pursuing new opportunities within your organization. Building a brag sheet is a systematic process, and it begins with data collection. Start by gathering information about your accomplishments throughout the year. This includes projects you've led, challenges you've overcome, and goals you've achieved. But don't stop at the basics. Dig deeper. What were the specific results of your efforts? Did you increase revenue, improve processes, or enhance customer satisfaction? Quantify your achievements whenever possible. Numbers speak volumes. Once you have your data, it's time to craft impactful statements. Each achievement should be presented in a concise, compelling manner. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result, to structure your statements. Start by describing the situation or challenge, then outline the task or goal, detail the actions you took, and finally, highlight the results you achieved. For example, instead of saying, "I improved customer satisfaction," you can say, "I led a customer satisfaction initiative that resulted in a 20% increase in positive feedback within 6 months." Remember that it's not just about technical accomplishments. Soft skills matter too. Include instances where your communication, leadership, teamwork, or problem-solving skills made a significant impact. These skills are often as important as the outcomes they contribute to. Now, let's talk about organizing your brag sheet. Consider using a spreadsheet or a document with clear headings. There are many templates that you can purchase on Etsy, or you can create your own. Group your achievements by categories, such as projects, leadership, skills development, and community involvement. This structure makes it easy for you and your supervisor to navigate during your performance review. When it's time for your performance review, you'll have all of your achievements ready to go. Pull out and expand upon achievements that are most relevant to your current role or the role you're aiming for. Be prepared to discuss how your contributions align with the goals and values of your team and organization. Now, let's talk about the art of self-promotion. Many of us feel uncomfortable when it comes to showcasing our accomplishments, but it's a critical skill in career advancement. Remember that you're not bragging. You're simply providing evidence of your value to the organization. Practice delivering your achievements with confidence and humility. During your performance review, use your brag sheet as a reference to provide concrete examples of your contributions. Be ready to discuss how your efforts have positively impacted your team and the company as a whole. Lastly, remember that your brag sheet isn't a one-time creation. It should be a living document that you update regularly. Whenever you complete a significant project or achieve a milestone, add it to your brag sheet. This proactive approach ensures that your accomplishments are always up to date and ready to be showcased when the time comes. Creating a brag sheet and mastering the art of self-promotion are essential skills for career growth. They empower you to take control of your professional narrative and ensure that your hard work and contributions are recognized and rewarded. So, start building your brag sheet today and set yourself up for success in your next performance review. Thank you for joining us for this episode. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your colleagues. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore in future episodes, please leave them in the comments below.